Alright, workout one is 3 parts here. You're going to start off with 7 minutes of squats. These numbers below for the options, you have to choose ahead of time. So the options 275, 185, 225, 155, 185, 115, 135, 95. You pick one grouping. Number to the left is for the guys, number to the right is for the women. And you pick one group from the start, and you have to stick with that. You'll have one rack. One men's bar will be up there. You'll swap weights accordingly, back and forth. The total score is going to be those pounds added to the next set, which is 4 minutes of cleans. The options for those are there. For the cleans, you'll have 2 separate bars. That's why it's a 33, 13, and 93. Women will have a women's bar. Men will have a men's bar. One person working at a time. And again, you choose the weight accordingly. So you're going to pick one of those groups. Your total score for the 100 points is A and B, your total pounds put together. Then you're going to move on to C. There will be a 30-second gap between these, but essentially you're moving from station to station. C is 5 minutes to establish a 1-rep max bench press. This is 100 points as well, scored separately. You'll have your own station, 1 bar. You have to swap the weights accordingly, obviously. There will be a 1-second pause on the chest with this. It'll be, kind of like a 1 count and an up from the judge. There'll be a spotter there if you request one, but it'll only be, in a sense, if you call out you need help. You don't want to have issues where, someone said they had the rep and the judge didn't think they did, and they pulled it up. So to avoid that, if you want someone to spot you, you can ask. They'll be there, and they'll kind of wait for the bar to descend, or you just say, lift it up, just so there's no issues there. There'll be plenty of people, so we won't have any safety issues. You'll rest 1 minute at that point. And you'll go into our, the D there, which is a 50 point. It's going to be a 2-minute AMRAP of handstand shoulder touches. We'll go over that in the video as far as the standards for that, but it will have to be a very noticeable touch. So almost like a pause on the shoulder, same side shoulder, feet on the wall, but it won't be something where you can just wing your hand up and flick the shoulder. It's super hard to judge that way, so for the sake of this, it'll be, for the handstand touch, you'll have to actually almost not pause for a full second, but you'll have to have that split second of a pause on the shoulder, so it's very noticeable. That's how our judges are going to look for it. So here's WOD 1, 3 parts, 2 100-point scorings, and 1 50-point there, and we'll go over the standards in the next video.